white, baby, now that you're gone.
This is the motor I'm going to use on the lathe. I put a new wire on it today, which was originally from our old tumble dryer, so it should be heavy enough. I'm going to strip like the rust off and see if I can paint it up a bit, because it's looking a bit wore out, even though it's not. When it was built, it must have been a good motor, because it's got greasing nipples on here for greasing it up. So I'll show you it works a second. I've got them plugged in. Lovely and well balanced. I'll fling it off. So I'll paint it up, and he should look a bit better now. As you can see, he's been working the lathe today. I tested it out, see if it was all working alright, and it was. So
It's getting dark and the walls are so tight. I'm falling asleep.